Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody was trying to design this, and after a few emails back and forth, and they kind of sent me a crude picture. They wanted this box around this word. I don't know what the round part has to do with it, but it would work with any word and any text. This is a text. It's Cooper Black. I am going to go to Object R and break it apart, R Control K. I'm going to take the shape tool and select on that node, and I'm going to make it 325 points, make it a little bigger. Now, by doing that, it put it closer, but I can easily move it out of the way. And I just made a video. There's another way to do that. Now, these are all ungrouped, but I can select them all, holding down the Shift key and double click on the rectangle tool. Now I can grab this R, holding down the Shift key and double clicking on the rectangle tool. Now I've already got that one selected. I'm going to go to Effects and Contour. I'm going to contour the outside. Doesn't matter if it's square or rounded corners because it's a square box. I'm going to grab this one. I'm going to do the exact same thing. Now, if you look, first thing you notice that, well, I'll get into that in just a second. I'm going to move the R out of the way. And by doing this, I'll be able to very easily go up here and break the contours apart. Now I'm going to get rid of the interior rectangles. I need these two to match, but I need them to be really right on where they are. So I'm going to grab that one and really, well, if you grab it with the pick tool, you can just grab it and get that four-sided corner and come straight down. Now, we want to weld it, but we want to wait because we want rounded corners. So we're going to take this one with your edit corner ratio unlocked. I'm going to type in a half of an inch, and that's going to give us those round corners. On this rectangle, we just want the top 0.5. Now at this time, we can go and weld this. And it worked perfectly. Now we can take this and move it up. Now, depending on your preference, that doesn't look bad, but you can see how we're kind of closer to the top. And that's just because the Y of the R, so different fonts are going to act differently. If you took the shape tool, grab all three of those, start moving them and hold down the control button and just kind of bring that over a little bit to where you think it looks better, or you might like the original. Then just take your Smart Fill tool and fill that in, and voila, you have that. I don't know if it's for a sign or what, but it does give it a good effect. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.